Positiivinen rirorari field trip. Bruh, I'm so hungry right now. Anyways, guys, I'm so excited. The reason why I wanted to go, it's gonna be my first time too, cause no pumpkin patch, you know. It's like mga okay man pumpkin nga sapan. Nang masepte to tabe se ke class. Bebe, iya kawagi kege. Isap me seke. Oh, okay. Waya mo kutek. Sanari ewan no koro. My water. Okay. And my phone. And I'd be like this. Buat ngambil kawan no kawai sari fumi. Weye sa torong. Si torong me araria. Isi pari torong. Ese po me kabe me ararat sa torong. Mayor que tenía aga boga de drinks me. Karsu. Yese wonsak soup. Depois esse sirene te botou ali soup. Ué. E aí, esse sireca, você não enriqueceu a reca. Irare o trade. Cuidar na hora de trade essa mãe. Anyways, I'm just excited to explore this place. I'm not sure if they're here already or I came too late. Hopefully they're not here yet. There's rights here. Yeah, I found them finally. That's genuine.
Quickly, second, third. Figure it out, get on the game.
Mom, we went on the fancy bus.
This is so pretty. This is John's class.
Okay, what is a banana plant officially classified as?
A banana plant.
No.
Berry.
It's the world's largest herb. Herb. Okay, technically, what kind of fruit is a banana? What do you call a single banana? A finger.
We got
Good corn. Let's see some trivia questions. Okay, what part of the corn plant is attached to?
Please do not run in the pumpkin patch. Are we gonna run in the pumpkin patch today? No! Okay, and please no running here either. There are long rocks. And please be aware, please notify an adult if you're gonna cross the road.
Okay, which one? Pick one. Yeah. It's light. Are you... So this is the kids picking their pumpkins.
Mom, let's bring this home and carve it for Halloween.
KK Hawaiian Target. Yeah, Mujari tour. They are now having their bathroom break and getting ready to go home or go back to their school. Okay, I'm back. Bakery in Kalihi. I got corned beef roll. We're at
Trick or treat!
We're here at Jenner's school's trunk or treat. Horses?
Yeah. I told you there was gonna be pony rides. What did you think?
Whoa. Look at the sun. Shining bright.
Nope.
Anyways, let's go, Jenner. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh. Crown. No. What is that? Oh, it's a slime, I think. Ew.
One more time. Go, 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 go.
You clean them up. So he's gonna.
Oh. Say thank you. Thank you. So far we got chocolate milk.
Yes.
Oh, Jen.
Ay, voy a poner la red.
Oh, man.
Ay, I'll put it.
Start them young. Hey, we're gonna share. We're gonna share with brother.
Go.
Jody, come on.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
I'm gonna eat some.
So far, we're about to go on horses.
Nervous? Why are you nervous? Is this your first time on a horse? Yeah? Well, you happen to be riding my favorite horse of the whole day. Her name's Anna, but today she's dressed up with a uniform.
And if you need help holding it, you can ask
Put another input into it.
Go, Cadence. Look at Jennery. Jennery's first time on a horse. Really? Jennery! Let's go, Cadence. Oh, I'll grab it. I'll give you later. Got banana bread, butter mochi. Okay, you guys want
My other bottle.
I'm gonna look at this one. Yay! Two candies.
Okay, your turn, Jennery.
She's gonna go to the two. Oh, that bucket, you get three.
They tricked you.
Oh, I had 2 cups already. Mama, can I put this? Oh, see? Oh, Cadence, should we go over there? Yeah. Mom, can you hold? Oh, I forgot one. Just one. Oh, we needed just one. See, you got a second one. Thank you.
We seen everyone at the park. Not too far. I'm sorry. Wait. What? Why is this so good?
Somebody want a candy apple.
Start. You ready?
You can do it, Jenny.
Keep going. You can do it.
Oh, one at a time.
Just one.
Oh,
There
okay.
you go. Just one.
Good try.
If you see her, she'll give you.
Aim right there.
Oh,
Good try, Jenny. Oh, look at it. Oh.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, you're taking it? Okay. Go ahead. Careful, careful. Not too high. Not too high. That's okay. All right. Good job, Cadence. You can choose your 2 candies. You try to get any?
Can I do this again?
Yes, hang on. Ah!
Oh, you already did this. You what? Let's do it again. I already have my plan. And I already have mine.
okay, let's go.
Start yet. Can I start first?
Ready?
Start first. And I can go second. It doesn't matter who goes first or second. It's pumpkin tic-tac-toe. Okay, my turn. Oh.
You moved yours. You
No.
took it from here, but go again. Keep it here. Take one here. No one's gonna win. Oh, there's one more chance.
It's an advantage.
Yeah. Restart.
Yeah, you want to restart?
Or try. It's okay. Just keep going.
Here? Hey.
Nobody's winning.
Oh, let's play again. Yeah.
Almost.
Oh, one more time. One more time.
Try one more time. Oh, you have one more in your hand. Ooh, good job. Okay, your turn. I'll hold it.
It's Katie.
Yeah, I'll give it to her. Good luck, Jenny. You go far. Oh, almost.
It says you're totally awesome.
Oh.
Try again.
Like
Here.
totally or turtly.
Oh, okay. You can candy.
Thank you.
Thank you for the candy. And the
There's Starbucks here. Free drinks, Starbucks. Farmers market. Love it.
Why do I put cheese on my cheeseburger? 3 balls. Now I'm sugar rush. Ready?
Go slow, Jenny.
Go slow.
Thank you.
Okay, your turn.
Oh, okay, not bad. You're on the big one. Especially.
Look, I got the most sauce. Get.
Okay, it's the end of our vlog, and we are just topping off our weekends with some delicious seafood boil at Cajun King. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video.
And it's crab restaurant. So yeah, we ordered the food. Now we're gonna get them. Hi guys, we got our food. Good night.
Thank you.